Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will deal with this problem. So, look at this. We have to prove that this equals to this. Great. Now, here, look at this. If you'll observe, the bases are different, which is a problematic thing, correct? If bases are same, then we may think about anything else. Okay. So, what I will do, I will use this property log a base b. Can I write down this thing as log A by log B? Now focus over here. Can I write down this thing as log n upon log 2? Correct? Same game. Log n upon log 3 dot 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 log 53 upon log n. Is that okay? Now can I convert, can I just from here to here we went, now from here to here we will come. So can I write log 2 base n, log 3 base n, log 4 base n dot 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 log 53 base n. Now you know this property log m plus log n is nothing but log mn. Is that okay? So here also, if you'll observe, you guys can apply this property and you guys will find out that you got log 2 3 4 5 dot 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 53 base n. Okay, and look at this, this is the product of, if you will introduce one more one now, it is the product of first 53 natural number. So can I write log 53 factorial by n, and this is also nothing but the same thing, log n by log 53 factorial, and again backtrace log 53 factorial by n. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.